So guys, welcome back to the channel. Touching down from Nong Hoi in the heart, well, just outside of the old town in Chiang Mai city, northern Thailand. So today's vlog is going to be a bit of a controversial vlog. So we are going to a place that has been in the news and has gone viral across social media. It's just down here. Forget, I've never been in here. I go past there all the time. It's my area. I've just been in my Guam Im vegetarian shop. So this place is called Yen CNX. It's a cafe and it's an old tobacco factory, and they still make tobacco here, I do believe. So this place, it should be just down here, or it's here. This place has been in the news, right, because a lady was online. She came here and she called it the human zoo because there's people behind glass working, making tobacco. I think it's tobacco. I'm not sure what they're making. Hopefully we can see a bit more about it myself in a minute. Well, that has gone crazy all over social media, all on the Chiang Mai and Thailand groups. So I thought we're going to come down here and we're going to look. I'm going to look for my opinion, and you guys are going to let me know what you think as well. This is it here, Yen CNX. The amount of times I've been past this place, I never knew what it was. There's a working factory in here as well. It looks a lovely place, man. It looks lovely. Swadee Kap, Sabadi Mai. So yeah, this is the cafe. You can get food in here, look. Food, and it's a nice place. Toilet. Right, let's get a drink a minute, shall we? And then I think you can go out the back and have a look. This is the people working in the tobacco factory, and I'm standing in front of the glass where you can sit down and have your coffee. So yeah, it's a bit of a tricky one, this one, because you have to think what it would be like if it was the other way around, or at the same time, what about the umbrella village and the Karen tribes where you go to watch people working? So yeah, I can see sort of both sides of things, but my own opinion is it's not too much different from them other things in Thailand. But you guys can say your comments down below and let me know what you think about this. I'm not going to go really into detail about what's good and what's bad because it's a never-ending argument. I just wanted to come and show this place and have a look for myself just to see what it's like. So the lady just brought my green tea, quite reasonable here, 60 baht. I can see where the problem lies, where somebody has come here and said this and it's gone viral. Definitely, I can 100% see that, but from my old values, like, no, it's fine. I think nothing I would go crazy about. My grandfather was Saritong, came from Yutani in 1939. He was then a young man finding a place to start building his life. At first he was employed into a tobacco business by Chow Chuen Siri Siroros. Later he started a tobacco business of his own. Tobacco farmers around Ampur Ban Hong Lamphun grow for our tobacco curing house in that area. After the tobacco leaves are cured, they become dry. They are then transported to this warehouse to be sorted into different grades before being compressed into sacks ready to sell to tobacco factories to make cigarettes. The leaves come here, then they get them ready for cigarettes. Right, so I've come out the front now a little bit. I definitely wouldn't call it a human zoo, but yeah, I did feel a little bit out of place doing the vlog. It's a lovely green tea here, and it's a beautiful place, mate. It's a lovely place to come and get a drink. I mean, you don't have to sit out in the factory part and watch them. You can sit out the front here, or you can sit just in the cafe there. Right guys, so that was Yen, the famous coffee shop. So we're gonna walk back down here. I was hoping, I would have liked to have went in and actually had a look. You go through here. So there is an article that I've been reading in there actually on my phone, where the owner has hit back saying, you know, we got no problem with it, and what's everybody on about? And I agree with her, really. So you guys can tell me what you think. And across the road, look, remember we done Le Coq d'Or. This is the old consul garden. We done a vlog in here, oh my god, in the early days, where we looked at all the old cars down here. So we're gonna go and have another look now we're here, because this was a beautiful place right on the river as well. It's a great area down here. So right across from the Yen is the consul's garden, and yeah, we'll go and see if he's got any new cars here or if anything's changed. Ah, it's closed. I think it's closed. Ah, the only day it's closed, I've just seen the sign. Entrance, so yeah, it's beautiful. They've done more in here by the looks of it. They've done a lot more. Yeah, it is closed today. Closed. Nah, it's open, isn't it? Open. No, it's closed. But what we can do is go and see the house here. There's loads of old cars, and yeah, he has events here. Look at the Ferraris on the lawn here. Oh, that would be good. Celebrate. Tally ho! Get off my land! Get off my land! Yeah, beautiful house. I remember I had a good time here when I done my other vlog. Oh, he's got rid of all the old cars. They're all gone, I think. So this is the old consul's house. He's got a Saab. Still got a few here. I remember that yellow MG from last time, but the real old ones have gone. But yeah, they like their cars here. Got an old Saab, not seen one of them for time, mate. Saab 900. Lexus, Honda. And another one, is that a Saab? Yeah, Saab 900, 9000 Aero. God, remember these. Hey, that's a nice one, isn't it? Lexus LS400, Honda City, Saab 9000 Aero. In the restaurant's over there, but it's closed today. And you can come here and have your wedding and stuff, right? And you can sit on the river down there, so it's a lovely place. But we're gonna get on our ones and twos. Here's all the old ones. Let's have a look, mate. Got Rolls Royce. Yeah, and another Saab. Rolls Royce. Swaddy Cap. Closed today. Oh, I can look at Rolls Royce? Okay. Thank you. Wow. Old roller, look.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Hi, thank you.
I like the cars here.
Well,
your cars?
not belong to me, belong to my daughter.
I like the Rolls Royce. Wow.
Rolls Royce?
Yeah, I like.
Yeah.
Wow. That's a real old one, isn't it?
You live in Chiang Mai?
Yeah, I live Chiang Mai, yeah.
Good,
Yeah.
Good decision.
Yeah, I don't want to get married yet.
Thai wife.
Oh, you married?
Of course.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I come here many times before.
Did it?
Yeah. 1975.
Yeah.
How clean, very clean.
This is the original seat, and this is the seat cover
Right.
to protect.
Okay, I see. So they drive this or never drive?
I drive time to time.
Right.
Around the compound or
Yeah, or for wedding, they have wedding
Maybe
here.
for some important function.
I see. Can hire the car, maybe. Yeah.
Because it's still in good condition.
Yeah, amazing condition.
Good model and also the.
Rolls Royce. So I was just saying to the man.
I forget the model, but all the new model is the same.
Right.
The same.
Yeah, I was just saying, guys. There's a model when you touch the
As
Rolls
soon as
Royce.
You touch.
Yeah, it goes. It goes inside. Yeah. What model was that? The Ghost, you said.
Ghost, yes, automatic.
Rolls Royce Ghost.
I think every model for the new model.
Right. Oh, the new ones do that now.
Yeah. Not the.
Yeah. This badge worth, if this is original, worth a lot of money too, right?
Is it?
I think so. If you just had the original one. Yeah, I like this one. 1980, 85?
No,
1990.
1995 something.
Right, so I met the guy there. That was his Sabs. So hang on, close the gate, and they can't get out. Is it open? Oh no. Yeah, it's open, right? Oh, I can't get out. Let's go through the door. Lovely jubbly. Yes, closed today. He didn't want to be on camera, but it was cool to film his Sabs. And it wasn't his Rolls Royce. So this is his coffee shop here. Le Coq d'Or. So we're going to put he's got an old London taxi over there. This is his coffee shop here. So I will link this place because the guy was nice enough to. Oh, this is the coffee shop here. We will put it on. I've been in here for one drink before. It's a lovely place. Little bit high market for me actually, but lovely guy. Right, let's get going. We can't be looking at Sabs in rollers. We ain't got that type of money to be looking at Rolls Royces. He said, can you talk about my business? I said yes, no problem. Right, you come out, there's the yen right there, and here's Le Coq d'Or. So that was the famous yen CNX. Let me know what you think down below, guys. Again, what I'm gonna say is I'm totally fine with it. I would not call that a human zoo at all. When you put it into perspective with what else, you know, the Umbrella Village again, the Karen tribe, and well, that's nothing really, is it? They're going to work, earning money, and that is part of their job with the coffee shop on the side. You guys might think different, but yeah, I'm adamant on that. But I can see how it would affect some people. All good, I think, but again, everybody's got an opinion. So I'm gonna leave it there. I'm going to get another green tea, and it's just, yeah, it's hotting up again today. It has been cloud cover this morning. I'm gonna stop waffling. Hope you're all safe and sound as always. I'm gonna leave the yen location, and across the road, Le Coq and the Consul's garden. Check out his cars, go for a coffee there as well. Take it easy, man. Take it easy.